Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that will provide you with instructions to get rid of the deceptive and absolutely misleading pop-ups that come from the site Acplat.online. Acplat.online is a deceptive alert that may periodically attack Google, Chrome, and other browsers. The real purpose of all these pop-ups by Acplat.online is to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. The report and the investigation of these pop-ups points to the fact that typically they promote certain adware that can be installed. For instance, in this particular case, the pop-up indicates that it promotes some ePedia software, some optional Wikipedia from your computer. But in reality, this program that is advertised by Acplat.online actually functions as adware. It shows numerous advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. So, you should stay away from interacting with all these fake alerts. Do not install anything that they suggest, because your entire computer may be messed up even more dramatically. If any potentially unwanted programs were mistakenly installed into your computer, I recommend you to research the control panel and remove any programs which could be suspicious. So if you find something unfamiliar, get rid of it. I also recommend that you additionally research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.